Netflix releases Zelensky's television series in the U.S. Oh, look at Netflix cutting a timely deal.
Mm-hmm.
Look at Netflix. They said...
That's going to kill.
They had a meeting. They said, what do you think about this Zelensky? You know, And they're like, are we talking about the war and the recent address to the U.S. government? Or they're like, no. His TV show.
Yeah, it's not even a documentary.
No,
because that takes time.
He was an actor.
Yeah.
He's a comedian.
But it's like everything else in show business, the people business. Who's hot, who not?
That's what they live by at Netflix.
I thought you were going to rap there.
Yeah.
Tell me who hot, who not. Tell me who sell out in stores. I believe this is P. Diddy right now, but at the time he was Puff Daddy. You guys don't know these lines.
Is it Mace? Was it Mace?
It could have been. Could have been. No, because he was on Bad Boy as well. So it was they would be in the same track. It could have been either one.
Yeah.
I mean, we can find it. You want to find it? Just type the lyric. Tell me who hot, who not. Tell me who sell out in stores. Oh, it's Biggie. Jesus.
No.
Yeah, it is. Biggie. No, maybe not. Keep going down.
Was it Mace?
Oh, wait, because Mo Money, Mo Problems had people on it. Now tell me who's hot, who's not. Tell me who rock, who sell out in stores. Okay,
I thought that was Mace.
There's your lyrics there. Well, I don't know
Tell me who flop.
I'm saying who's first on the record because you got everybody on it. You got Biggie, Mace, and Sean Combs, otherwise known as Puff Daddy.
P. Diddy. Yeah, it doesn't say here.
You know, it's fine. It's fine. I believe we've done enough here.
Okay, yeah.
I believe we've done
It was a joint effort.
I believe we've done enough here, and I appreciate the lyric search and all the rest of it. But anyway, it seems so weird what this guy's going through right now, that he's got all this real life drama going on, and it has elevated his fake drama.
Yeah, he's a celebrity.
His drama.
Right.
His fictional drama that people will be interested to watch now to figure out the origin story of this guy because that is his background.
Right.
Netflix had previously included the series from 2017 to 2021. The show ran for 3 seasons before Zelenskyy announced his run for president in Ukraine in 2019, using the name Servant of the People as the name of his political party. He was playing a political figure in the show.
Oh, really? It goes that meta?
No.
I haven't seen it.
Unbelievable, this stuff. Like, what do they say? Reality and fiction, and what are these sayings? When fiction mimics reality, or
simulation,
or reality mimics fiction, one way or the other. His fictional president is a normal man who grows into his role as a heroic and adored leader, while the real-world scenario facing Zelenskyy and the Ukrainian people is far more grim and appalling than the comedy of the series. There are obvious parallels with real-world situation, and Servant of the People is a fascinating, important, and historic piece of television. Wow. In contrast, Echo Rights has removed Russian content from its platform and has donated $55,000. It's all very complicated, but certainly many people will be seeking out this content now that what's going on is going on.
What's it called, by the
Servant of the People.
Servant of the People. Yeah, I'll check it out.
Once again back on Netflix. I didn't realize it had been on Netflix in 2017, and it actually was originally made in 2015.